Hey guys, Motorcarnut here, and today we're going to be installing a timing chain, okay, for the valve timing on a 2015 Kia 2.4 liter found in the Optima, Santa Fe, Sonata, etc. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, this is the video how to line up the timing, the valve timing with the timing marks, okay? Engine's in the car, out of the car. It's the same way, just easier to understand. Okay, first thing you're going to do is you're going to have 4 marks on the cams over here. You're going to have round marks, and you're going to have lines. Over here's a line, and over here's a round mark. What you want to do is bring the crank just about top dead center. Top dead center, the keyway here is going to be vertical this way. All right, what you do is just bring it down a little bit, okay? Because when you're turning the cams, you may hit the pistons with the valves. You don't want to do that. So you just turn it down a little bit. Then you line up the cams. Whereas, I'll put this there. There's a mark here and a line here. All right, these two have to face each other. And where the colored links go, there's going to be round marks. See? That color link goes there on that round mark. This color link goes on this round mark. Okay? Not the opposite way around. And how you know that? You see your valves, number 1 cylinder, valves are closed. See the lobes are up? Lobes are up. That's how you know they're closed. Okay? So then after you do that, then you rotate the crank slowly until it's at basically the 9 o'clock position. Right here, you see the keyway. It's in line with the bearing cap right here, the line. Anyway, on the bottom, you're going to see another mark. See this round mark? That's where this color link goes, right there like that. Okay? So now you know your marks. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to install the chain guide on one side and on the other side, and then we'll just take it from there. So that's how you line that up, and I'll show you how it's going to look. Now, got the chain guides on. Okay, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, and 10 millimeter. You tighten them down. This one, 10 millimeter up here. You put your chain tensioner in there. Okay, 10 millimeter and 10 millimeter. Got this chain guide on now. And now, you verify your marks. Okay, now what we're gonna do, and we have the oil pump and counterbalance shaft. I had another video on that, how to line that up. But what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna turn this crank 4 times. All right, and gonna check the marks. Now, obviously, the color links are not gonna be lining up, but that's okay. So as long as we have them lining up here, we know they're gonna line up there. It doesn't matter, the links don't matter no more. Okay, once you turn it. And you have your marks here, the marks over there. Okay, so now over here, where the keyway is, I made another dot. All right. Now, oil pump housing right over here has a line that has to be in between this space. And this dot has to be in this vicinity somewhere like that. Okay? And then you know you're on. So what we'll do is we're gonna crank it 4 times, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Okay, and why you crank it 4 times is because the oil pump counterbalance shafts have to have 4 rotations before they come back in line. Unlike, you know, the crank where it goes 2 revolutions, it's 1 whole complete cycle. Okay, so now I spinned it 4 times. Now you look, and it's okay that the like I said, the links are not going to line up. That's not the point. That was only for initial. But you see, this lines up, crank, and this, where we made the marks before. Counterbalance shaft, okay, is in between those 2. This dot is with that dot. And these up here, they line up with the marks I made over here. Okay, so don't get scared. You go, oh, it's off. It's not off. Okay, those links are never going to line up again. Take a long time anyway. Okay, you have your other mark here, and that other mark was there, but as long as these marks are on. Okay, And that's basically it. And that's how you do it. All right, guys, Motorcarnut, please subscribe, hit like button. Any questions, leave them below to the video, pertaining to the video. I answer all my questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I really appreciate it.